Welcome back. In this video, we'll be looking at the different terminologies in digital marketing. As you know, every industry has its own terminologies, and all of them have different meanings across different industries. So in this digital marketing course, the first terminology we'll be looking at is traffic. Traffic simply means the number of users or visitors of a website or social media page or profile. So say you have a website now, if 1,000 people come there tomorrow, you have 1,000 traffic. If you have 500 tomorrow, you have 500 traffic. If you have more traffic, more number of people visiting your website compared with another business, then you have more traffic than the other business. Number two, we'll be looking at leads. Now, leads is a word that is used to refer to the information of a person interested in your business or your service or product that you sell. An example is a name, a telephone number, or an email address. It simply means the contact of the person visiting your website. Number three is reach. Now, reach means the total number of unique people who visit your website and see your post or on your social media platform. The fourth one is impression. Impression is the total number of times a content is seen or appears or is displayed, whether it is unique or not. Now, impression is different from reach. Now, if you come across a video of a particular product campaign on social media twice, now that is one reach and two impression. The next terminology is campaign. Now, campaign involves actions or efforts that a company puts into boosting traffic, driving engagement, or converting their leads. Now, let me explain that in simple terms. It means that when you shoot videos or design flyers and post them on social media, the entire effort of creating it and posting on social media or on your website is called campaign. All right, I'll stop here, and in the next video, I'll be talking about the other terminologies that we have in digital marketing. Stay right where you are.